Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin slowly pulling back. Not a whole lot going on with Bitcoin today. At this point, very critical that the Bitcoin bulls hold this $19,000 level and get a bounce. Bulls need a higher high that would confirm ideas for a move to much higher prices, right? Based on this double bottom that's possible. Again, you break to the downside, you're talking 17,700, 15,600, and so forth. So make a break right now for the Bitcoin bulls. Zoom in. Here's our plan. We're not going to try to predict this. We're going to just do whatever the price action tells us to do, right? You see quite a few times this price action bounced off this support, bounced off support, respected the support, but broke down, but then bounced hard. Here it is. So again, you get a move and a bounce would be, there's good short-term price action that can be played in here. But when this trend line gets broken to the upside, if it happens, then you're going long on Bitcoin. If this lower support level breaks to the downside, you're going short. If then, you always have plan A, plan B. All you do is click the mouse button. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. We completely call this entire move. Watch out, be cautious. Channel's supposed to break lower on the 12th, and it did. And now you've got some price action slowly. Nothing is happening. But you might get down to this support right here and start to see a move. You got bullish divergence. I mean, there's a 68% chance this thing breaks out to the upside. Technical analysis said it's supposed to break higher. If it breaks lower, I will definitely short this. But it's technical analysis says there's a 68% chance that this short-term move is break to the upside. But that's some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This young lady unfortunately passed away, and I just wanted to give her a shout out because she was a good friend in the group and always active on social media. I just really wanted to thank her for everything that she's enlightened my life with. She unfortunately passed away with a brain tumor, and it kind of took me aback because it makes us realize how short life really is. So just to see her in her glory at 15,000% in the green, killing it. This person, $7,000 in the bank in 4 hours. That's what I'm talking about. This is life-changing money. $8,000 in 2 days using the ideas that I taught. This person, I hear this all the time. Shout out to Mr. Bayer. I've been watching you for a year, and I wish I would have joined earlier. Right? We keep nailing banger after banger after banger. On Kucoin, they're just popping off, right? You got to be in the right coins, and you got to be on Kucoin. That's all there is to it. Gem pick bangers. We're giving 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. It can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Big picture, macro picture, potentially stock market has lower prices ahead. Right now, you've got the Fed. They're going to announce a rate hike coming up, and I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Actually, right now, on September the 21st, they've got a rate hike. 5 days, they're going to raise rates. People are talking about 0.75 75 basis points, 0.75%. If they go any higher than that, the market's going to get nuked. So they don't want to do that. Look at this is the NASDAQ 100. This is the worst yearly candle in decades. Look at this thing. The market is getting destroyed, and they're doing it on purpose because they have to. They have to lower inflation. All this money printing, endless money printing that they've done potentially for the last 15 years that pumped the price. has come to an end. And so things are different. This one is very important to pay attention to. It's the S&P 500 E-mini futures. This thing can save Bitcoin or not. So what you don't want to see is a bearish retest where this comes up here and gets rejected, because then you're looking for more downside out of Bitcoin, right? You want to see this thing flipped and held as support, and that's your long entry, okay? If that doesn't happen, if this doesn't break above this level and continue higher, you're going to see downside out of Bitcoin, period. DXY, okay, this is the dollar index. This guy is going parabolic. They're trying to do this on purpose. They're the master manipulators. The Fed hikes, dumping the balance sheets. They are manipulating the dollar on purpose because they don't have a choice. They don't have a choice. So understand that a strong dollar is bad for Bitcoin, bad for crypto, bad for the stock market as well. Ethereum, not really seeing any signs of love after the proof of stake fork. After the merge happened, and again, you got the break to the downside. This level right here, so look, watch this, reversal, and then this has to reverse right here if you want upside out of this guy. Otherwise, I mean, you can see it move down here to $1,322, $12,035, even as low as $1,000 Ethereum. So Ethereum bulls need to show up here. RVN, this is one we nailed in the group. Trip posted it. Nice little cup and handle. This is beautiful the way it played out. Now there's a lot of people that would say, well, the miners are switching from Ethereum to Ravencoin. And so because of that hype, you had this huge run up, which we nailed, right? And this is just part of it. You got to be in the right coins. Who would have thought to load up on Ravencoin if somebody wasn't saying, hey, here's the bullish case. Here's what everybody's thinking. Here's what's potentially going to happen. 88% banger out of RVN. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.